All right, what up, beaches? Mel back. What's up? All right, the ever asking question: how to apply LipSense. So we are going to do a LipSense tutorial. How to apply LipSense. Dun dun dun. Here we go. Step one is exactly what I'm doing now. You hear that amazing noise? That amazing noise is the ball inside of the LipSense, the little metal ball that is activating all of the goodness and the ingredients and the colors and the alcohol to apply to your lips to make it a magical unicorn product and to make you awesome and feel better about yourself. Nailed it. Shake, 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 shake. To be honest with you, I shake for a long time. Shake, 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 shake. LipSense is applied in 3 layers at least. Some colors I like to put 4 on, but 3 layers minimum. The way to apply LipSense is you layer, you let that layer dry, you layer, you let that layer dry, you layer, and you let that layer dry, and then you apply a gloss to seal it all in. Coming your way right now, beaches. You start with clean, dry lips. So my lips are not wet with saliva. My lips don't have any, I hate the word chapstick. My lips don't have any chapstick. My lips don't have anything on them at all. They are clean, dry, and ready to go. LipSense is made, along with the color pigments, LipSense has alcohol, FDA approved, and LipSense has awesome ingredients, plant-based ingredients, hormone-free, GMO-free, vegan, kosher, all those things. We don't test on animals. LipSense also contains a FDA-approved and makeup-grade alcohol, which which bonds with the color particles inside of LipSense, and as you apply LipSense, the alcohol evaporates and the color particles stay on your lips. Think of it like a FedEx truck. Thanks, Dana. The FedEx truck drops off your package and then leaves the good stuff and then drives away. So the alcohol is like the FedEx truck. It drops off your Senegence package and then it drives away. We don't need it anymore. So that's what the alcohol does. And that's why if you are a first-time LipSense user, this may burn a little bit, okay? So it happens, don't worry, it happens to the best of us. Your lips are also going to go through a natural exfoliation process if you are a first-time LipSense user, which means that all those years of built-up wax-based products and dead skin on your lips is going to now go away when you start using LipSense and the glosses and the Oops Remover. Bye-bye, see you later, I don't want to see you anymore. Stick with it because that's your body getting rid of all the dead skin from wax-based products, years and years of buildup. First thing, what we do, today I'm gonna put on Plumeria for you because it matches my tone. So, first time, we open our product, we get all of the excess off the tip of the wand. You don't need a ton of product, guys. You don't need to load up the wand and go back and forth like you would a lip gloss. This is not that product, okay? What you need to do is you need to do one clear swipe on the bottom, one clear swipe on the right, one clear swipe on the left. You let it settle in and then it dries, okay? So don't go back and forth over it like you would a lip gloss or a lipstick. That will, kind of like a dry erase marker, when you make a line and then try to draw back over it, it erases the color, exactly the same thing. You don't need to go back over it once you've gone over your lips one time, okay? Big, big no-no. Once you put on your first layer, my lips are gonna get super weird and I'm gonna look really weird when I talk to you because LipSense gets tacky before you put on the gloss. Here we go, first layer, everybody. So you'll notice I did the outside of my lips and then I did the inside of my lips, okay? You do a swipe on the outside and then a swipe on the inside. So no, I didn't go back over the color. I went outside and then I went inside. Yeah, I know, it's funny that I'm talking like this. Dry, 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 dry. I'm also gonna look in the mirror in front of me to make sure I'm applying this right because a selfie on an iPhone is not the best angle, guys, so I may mess up, okay? The reason it's tacky is because it hasn't been sealed in by the gloss yet. So the color is settling into your lips and you can't rub your lips together because that is so bad and it's just sticky and not good. So don't do that in between layers, okay? So now I'm gonna apply my second layer. So far, so good. Inside of the lip and outside of the lip. That's how I roll, guys. And every now and then I'll go back and fix my lines. I like to create lines with my LipSense. Third layer. Nailed it. Oh my God, I love this color, by the way. I had never put on Plumeria, and now I'm obsessed. Third layer. No. What is that? I have LipSense everywhere. Dry, dry, dry. Now it's time for the gloss. The gloss is the final layer of LipSense. No, you cannot use another brand's gloss to seal in LipSense. You have to use LipSense gloss. These are formulas that are made to be together, okay? So the formula and the ingredients in this are made for this. The ingredients and formulas in this are made for this. Got it? Got it? Don't use a cheap lip gloss, guys. Just don't do it. I love that feeling so much when the gloss goes over and it's not tacky anymore. And look at that, guys. There is nothing. Oh, my lighting is terrible. I don't know how to do it. There is nothing on the tip of my wand. No color at all. You know why? Because LipSense, she don't come off. She do not come off, ladies. Nothing. That is why this product is so awesome and so magical and just the best thing in the whole wide world. What else can I say? It speaks for itself. I don't need to say anything. Mel out. Thanks, beaches. Love you, mean it. Join my Facebook group. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and watch all of the awesome stuff on Senegence and LipSense. All right, beaches. Mel out.